Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will see how to create a camera shake effect in Unity 3D. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is my very basic scene. Let me play it. So if I press the space button, there will be a basic blast effect. So now we will create a camera shake effect. So first of all, as you can see on my camera, there's nothing. And let me create a C# script for the camera shake. This is my camera shake. Okay. So first of all, attach it on the camera. So I've attached it on the camera, and let's start making it. So in the start, we will need two things. Like in first, we need the camera properties, or let's say camera informations, and second, we will need to know the shake parameters. So in camera information, we will need two things. First, we will need the transform of camera. So this is our camera transform, and second, we will need the private vector 3. This is basically the initial position of the camera that camera has in start. So let's say original pose, original camera pose. Okay, and in shake parameters, we will need two things to know. First thing is our shake duration, like how long the shake will be, and the second thing is our shake amount, like how hard the shake will be. So this is our shake amount. Okay, so in a start, what we will do is, before doing these things, actually we want to use this camera shake effect within another class. So we want to make the singleton of this class. So we'll make a singleton of this. This is a camera shake, and this is our instance. Okay, so we will make a awake method, and in this what we will do is, if our instance is equal null, so what we will do is instance is equals to this. It means if it destroys on runtime or loading another scene, so it will again take the information of this class, and we will make it don't destroy and load. So don't destroy and load, and in this else we will destroy it. Okay, so this is our basic singleton class. After this, we want to take a reference of original position of the camera. So camera transform dot local position, and in update, what we will do is, if the shake duration is greater than 0, it means we have a shake durations to shake the camera. So to shake the camera, we will write a one line of code that will actually shake the camera. So what we'll do is, camera transform is local position equals to first the original position of the camera plus random dot inside unit sphere. So what it does is, basically it returns a random point inside the sphere, and how we will know the radius of the sphere. So what we will do is, we will create a radius of the sphere. So our shake amount is actually the radius shake amount. So the bigger the radius, bigger will be the shake amount. Shake effect. So basically this is the line that will do the camera shake. And in second line what we'll do is we will reduce the shake duration. Shake duration is minus equals to time dot delta time. Okay, and else if our shake duration is 0 or less than 0, so we will set the set duration to 0, and we will again set the camera pose, like the camera transform dot position that we had in the start, that we had stored, that is our original camera position, right? So that's it. Let me give the value for it. The shake duration, let's say 2 seconds, and the value, let's make it 0.7. okay, you can change according to your gameplay, but the thing is we want to use it here. Whenever I press the space button, so with this blast effect I want to call the camera shake. So we have this instance but we don't have any function to call this, so we will create one method, let's say shake camera, and here what we'll do is let's make a private bool can shake, and the initial value we will give it to false, right? So whenever if this class calls the shake camera, so we will make the can shake is equals to true, and second we will also set the shake duration is equals to 2 seconds again, because the shake duration we make it 0 here. Okay, so we will need to again set it. Now we can call it from here, camera shake instance dot shake camera. So whenever we will press the space button, we will also shake the camera, right? You can also do one thing, you can set the shake duration according to your preferences. Let's say shake duration. Okay, so instead of setting the hardcode value, we can make the dynamic. So you can set it from here, 2 seconds, right? So we are all set to go. So first of all we will give the transform shake duration 2 seconds. Let's make it isn't it 2 seconds, and shake amount, let's say 0.7. Let's play the game. Now if I press the space button, as you can see the shake effect. Now if as you can see here, the shake duration is 0, but if I again press the space button, it will set the duration. So that's it guys for this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that like button. Thank you guys, see you again.